Alrighty, so let's go ahead and take a look at these beauties right here. These are the SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro wireless gaming headsets. I bought these specifically for my Xbox Series X. I know, I'm not on PC just yet. I will convert eventually, but for now, I'm currently using this for the Xbox. So let's go ahead and talk about it. So first of all, what comes in the box is the headset itself. It comes with a hub that plugs into whatever console or PC that you're using. It comes with a couple USB cables and a 3.5 millimeter wire for plugging the headset straight into the controller if you want to do that as well. Okay, so let's talk about sound quality and my experience with the sound quality. So the sound quality really focuses on the mids and the highs because at the end of the day, this is not like a pair of music listening headphones like a pair of Bose. This is a gaming headset. So it's not too boomy and bassy, but it does exactly what it's intended for. When I'm playing Call of Duty, it really highlights the gunshots, the noises, especially the footsteps. Surprisingly, I'm not making this up either. The first time I actually tried this pair of headphones and I played my first game of Free For All, I actually won. And I don't usually win games of Free For All. So for me, at least I can say, this pair of headphones actually did make me a better player. So sound quality is really, really great. Now, like I said, whilst these aren't Bose headphones that are really catered for music, you can use it to pair with your phone, and we'll get into that a little bit later, to listen to just regular music, which I thought was really cool as well. Now, when I was talking about sound quality just now, I was talking about the wireless mode. Now, the cool thing is about this is it has a wireless mode, but it's also capable of being wired in with that included 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Now, I did notice when I plugged it in, specifically to my Xbox, actually, and my PS5 as well, the Bluetooth features actually completely shut off. And it also doesn't allow me to toggle the volume from the headset once I go into wired mode. Now, in regards to the sound quality, whether in wired mode or wireless mode, safe to say that both sound great. Also, another thing that I did want to point out is when you're in wired or wireless mode, game chat does work on the Xbox and PS5. So whilst the Bluetooth does shut off, the microphone still works. So that was a real big plus for me. Now, let's go ahead and talk about noise cancellation. So whilst this headset does offer a noise cancellation feature, I'm going to be honest, it's not the best feature by a long shot of this headset. At times when I was switching between noise canceling on and off, I actually couldn't tell which mode was transparency mode or noise canceling mode. So yeah, just my opinion, noise canceling, not the greatest on this headset. It's cool that it's an additional feature to have, but it doesn't really do too much in my personal experience. So let's talk about multi-device pairing. So this is a huge winner when it comes to a feature for this headset, specifically for me, because whilst I can connect Bluetooth wirelessly to my Xbox and play games, I can also connect at the same time to my phone with Bluetooth, and it connects both simultaneously. So if I want, I have scenarios where I can listen to Spotify using my phone, and I can listen to game audio when I'm playing stuff like Call of Duty as well. Now, the cool thing is, this is also how I party chat with my friends. So me and my friends use Discord to get on party chat like everybody probably does, right? So I actually link this headset to my phone and I go into the Discord chat via my phone and I enter the chat through there and the microphone works and everything whilst being able to listen to the game audio at the same time. So if you're wondering how that's done, specifically that's how I do it. All right, and next off, let's go ahead and do a microphone test. This is a microphone test of the Arctis Nova Pro wireless by SteelSeries. Microphone test 1, 2, 3. Microphone test 1, 2, 3. Again, this is a microphone test of the Arctis Nova Pro wireless by SteelSeries. Microphone test 1, 2, 3. Microphone test 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, the microphone isn't the greatest microphone, but it's also not the worst microphone in the world. On a scale of horrible to excellent, I'd rate this under really good as far as gaming microphones go. Now let's talk about the audio hub that comes with it. So the audio hub allowed Bluetooth setup to be super simple. Literally all I had to do was plug the USB-C part into the back of the hub and the USB-A part into the console itself, and then turn on the headset itself, and it just connected wirelessly and everything seemed to work. Now for me, at least being plugged into the Xbox Series X, there was two things that I could control, which was the volume, which I was allowed to move the knob from left to right to turn the volume up and down, as well as if I pressed the volume button, there was a mixer option, whether I wanted to turn up the game or if I wanted to turn up the voice. So that was a pretty cool feature. Now, in regards to what the hub also does, it allows you to charge batteries. Now, the headset comes with two batteries. So you charge one battery whilst the other one is in your headset at the same time. So technically when one dies, you just switch it out for the other one, which allows you to essentially have unlimited battery life. So this was a really creative feature, which essentially doesn't allow the headset to ever die as long as you have one battery charging and one battery being used. Let's talk about overall comfort for this headset. This headset is extremely comfortable. There's not too much clamp force, which I found an issue with other headsets. The side ear cushions are really soft, and the main thing for me, because I'm a glasses wearer when I play video games, right? It's glasses friendly, which is great for me. I've gotten so many headaches with so many different headsets because the clamp force and the cushion was not soft enough because I wear glasses. Mainly, the pain would start forming around my temples. But for this one, I'm very happy to say, at least in my personal experience, that there was no glasses strain over an extended period of time. I'm noticing some people online, by the way, on Reddit and on a few other websites, even upgrading their cushions through a website called Wicked. Not really sure I've gotten anything from that website, but I'll be sure to check it out and let you guys know if I do get anything, because I do see a lot of talk about these Wicked cushions for the gaming headsets. Now, if you guys have any of your own, please go ahead and leave a comment. Tell me how they are. I'm actually really interested. And now, in my opinion, these are the best gaming headsets you can get for the money. Is it worth it still in 2023? Absolutely. I was actually waiting for around this time of the year for them to release a new headset, but I don't think that's happening anytime soon, so I still wanted to go ahead and pick these up, and I'm happy to say I will not be returning these anytime soon. I'm going to be hanging on to these for quite a while, as I'm very happy with my purchase. So overall score, with everything considered and everything that I just mentioned, this is probably going to be one of the highest rated products that we've ever reviewed on the channel. The SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro Wireless gets a 9 out of 10. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this helped you make your buying decision. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them in the comment section down below. Leave a like on this video and go ahead and hit subscribe for more future tech videos and reviews of products moving forward. All right, we'll see you guys next time. As always, take care. See you later.